ATCH stock analysis, price predictions, news. In this 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade. You know, I'm the only guy in this world that's done 47,000 videos like this over 5 years and documented them all. When I say this, I truly mean it because it's all on my YouTube channel and I have the data. So especially with ATCH, like Atlasclear, one thing that would have made me, you know, pull the trigger on Atlasclear straight up is going to be just a confirmation, because I already got a break even on recently here and then a win W, because I have the proof, you know, to back up my claim when I was very early. Right there, yeah, you see that.
That's ultimately what
this was made at 3 AM, right? You know what I mean?
I'm sitting
86.36 on 17th. Beautiful delivery, and then he came down yet again. So for me to just kind of clap back by more, the only thing that's going to be right in my eyes is just a double break, like a break above 95 cents, and then a second break of whatever, depends where the next range is going to be at. You know what I mean? So all I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting. So therefore, if you want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.